A giraffe's neck looks like a biological mistake. Too long, too heavy, too impractical to survive. But what if that neck, and even those strange spots, are not weaknesses at all? What if they are part of one of the most advanced survival systems in nature? And by the end of this video, you'll see how this system helped humans survive spaceflight. The neck isn't about height. Most people think a giraffe's long neck evolved so it could reach higher leaves. That sounds logical, but it's only part of the story. Male giraffes use their necks as weapons. They swing them like sledgehammers during fights for dominance. A longer, heavier neck means a stronger udar, and stronger males get to reproduce. But this advantage came with a dangerous cost. A fatal blood pressure problem. A giraffe's brain sits almost 2 meters above its heart. Pumping blood that high should be deadly. If blood rushed upward too fast, it would destroy the brain. If pressure dropped, the giraffe would pass out instantly. So evolution had to solve a problem that no other land animal faces at this scale, and the solution was extreme. A heart built for control. A giraffe doesn't have a bigger heart, it has a smarter one. Its heart generates extremely high blood pressure, that special valves constantly regulate that pressure. When a giraffe bends down to drink, the system slows blood flow instantly. Without it, gravity alone would cause a fatal surge to the brain. Still, valves weren't enough. The brain's safety net. At the base of the giraffe's brain sits a dense network of blood vessels. They cannot expand. This network acts like a pressure buffer. It absorbs sudden changes and protects the brain from overload. It's a passive safety system, always on, always working. But the neck and brain are only half the story. Why giraffes don't overheat? Giraffes don't sweat. If they did, they'd lose water too fast and die. Instead, they regulate heat internally. Their body temperature can rise several degrees above the environment. And those dark spots, they are not camouflage. Spots as a cooling system. Each dark spot is surrounded by blood vessels. Hot blood is routed to the center of the spot. Heat escapes through the skin. The rest of the body stays cooler. It's a natural air conditioning system built into the skin itself. But one last problem remained. Why giraffe legs don't swell? A giraffe has massive blood pressure in its legs. In humans, that would cause severe swelling. But a giraffe's leg skin is incredibly tight. It compresses blood vessels from the outside. This external pressure pushes blood back upward. No swelling, no damage. And this solution turned out to be useful far beyond Africa. How giraffes helped astronauts. During rocket launches, astronauts experience extreme G-forces. Blood rushes toward the legs. The brain can lose oxygen. The solution came from giraffes. Compression garments used in spaceflight mimic giraffe leg skin. They squeeze the lower body to keep blood flowing to the brain. What looks like an awkward animal is actually a masterclass in survival engineering. A giraffe's neck isn't a flaw. Its spots aren't decoration. They are proof that nature solved problems humans are still learning from.